Hey everybody. So in some of my past videos, there's been issues with these up armor wings or whatever you want to call them, riding too high on my cummerbund. Now I did do this thing where I tied them to the thing to try to mitigate that, but there's been some suggestions from chat, as well as I emailed Shaw and they had some suggestions. So I'm going to remove these. These were just some idea I had. Got the good idea fairy on my shoulder. And these were spare retention straps from the mag pouches. Okay. Get rid of that one. Get rid of this one. Yeah, well, good news is they weren't going to come off by themselves. There we go. Got that one. So now I've already untucked this. This goes under the plate in here in the plate bag. This will expose the bungee system. And I'm going to untie this and then move it up to the highest it can go. Then we'll see if that helps. Oh no, I broke my Weensy pliers. Well, let's see if I can do this without. Let's see if I've got a pick or punch. This little tiny punch might help get in there. And these are very springy. So once it's tight, I can't just like push it back together to get it to come undone, which is probably good for longevity of the kit holding together, but it's a pain to get these undone. All right, I'm going to pause the video and get this sorted out, and then I'll cut back in.